Alright guys, well, I got off of work early today, so I actually have some time to work on the truck. So, on my truck, I have the extended bed sides. So, I guess in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to extend your bed sides. I think it's 4 inches or 2 inches, something like that. I got them off of Summit, so I'll link them in the description. But first things first is I think I just got to unbolt these and go unbolt the ones off my truck. And yeah, I'll get to that. Okay guys, so of course everything I do goes wrong, so they just don't want to come out. They don't want to unbolt, so I'm gonna borrow my little brother's grinder real quick and just cut these bolts off. But luckily the ones on the side are coming off, so hopefully I can get this done in like the next 15 minutes. Go take the ones off my truck and then get to cutting this thing up. Okay guys, so it got dark. We threw the lights up real quick. We've cut almost all of them except for the corner ones. So I guess we're gonna try to cut them off without screwing up the original metal and then pull these tubs out, and then it'll probably be the end of today. So yeah bro, go cut that shit, dude. So it's off. I'm gonna get the other one set off. That one's kind of being a bitch. We might just have to break that with the fucking chisel or something. So naturally, the last one doesn't want to come out. So, chisel? Chisel. Start banging that shit, dude.
2,000 years later.
So after like a million fucking hits with a hammer and a chisel, it's off. So yeah, I guess we're gonna be done for tonight, clean up real quick, and then come back tomorrow, or in a couple days actually, after I take the tubs off of my truck, and show you how to. Alright guys, well it's been a couple days. It's finally time to cut the bed up. I took one off. I gotta take the other one off, but I cut it off. But we only need one to do this, so we have it all measured out, and my little brother's gonna come and cut it out real quick and then do the same to the other side. Because we already kind of had it cut out from last time, we just measured from end to end and then just out a template. But if you're gonna do it without that, you can just lay it on, draw the template. It's basically plus 4 inches, so that's all you really have to do, and just cut it out and then drill the new holes, and it should fit right in. So yeah, my clip to my little brother cutting this, and then we start drawing up the other side. So yeah, we have the basic outline all done up. So little brother's gonna start cutting the other side. We're gonna line up the other side. And yeah, it's pretty easy to tub these things. So let's get to it. And then I'll finally have the room for my, whenever I get them, the 24x15s. I bet there's still support. Yeah. You're probably gonna have to flip the bed up to cut it up. Yeah, probably. Here, we can flip it up real quick. Alright, so like always, we run out of some shit and we have to go to Pep Boys. So my little brother's gonna finish cutting probably that one little edge, and then, or start the other side while we go get some cutoff wheels. So yeah. Boom. Off. Pretty good. That is a clean cut. These don't fit flush because there's this ridge on it. So on the regular one, it kind of just ends. So what you have to do is notch this ridge so this thing, the tub actually fits flush. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do real quick. Basically, just mark it up, and then cut it that should be it. So yeah, so once you mark it, I'll have him notch it. And it should basically fit flush, and then, well, it should basically fit flush, and boom, you fucking done it. So yeah, basically, oh, you got it. Okay, so yeah, once you make the cuts, you basically make these little like X cuts in it to make the metal leaker, and then all you gotta do is bend them down, and then you have something for the tub to actually sit on. So my little brother do the other side.
Where the lines on here, Nathan?
Okay, wait, I haven't done it yet. So. What do you use? When we did this one, we just did the straight cut, and the problem was that this little notch is basically, it keeps it from sitting flush, and because I'm spending all this money, I want it to sit flush. So what we did was we basically cut out little notches, and then all I'm gonna have to do is come and bend this metal down, bend it flat, and it'll have something to sit on, and it'll still be flush, so it'll actually look right. So at this point, all we really have to do is grind the edge to make sure it's perfectly straight, it fits perfect, and I get all the clearance that I want. And drill the holes for the new tub, and this is ready to go drop off at paint, but I got a surprise, so let me go get it real quick. Yeah, this is the part I'm really stoked on. It's the Mod Shop like diffuser. I think it looks sick. So here, let me just mock it up real quick so you can see what the idea is, but I don't know whether if I'm gonna like install fins or have like a huge like Lamborghini style exhaust or what I'm gonna do yet, but I got it and I think it looks fucking awesome. So yeah, this is the basic idea. I love it. I'm so stoked on it. I should be dropping this thing off for paint this week on Tuesday, so yeah, this is gonna be done soon. I'm still waiting to get these King Digit door handles installed, so yeah, but at this point all you really have to do is drill some holes, so we're gonna do that real quick and these should be ready to install. At this point, all I'm gonna do is drill some holes, which I'll probably just do real quick because it's honestly not too many, and then that should be it. That's basically how you mini tub a truck with the Summit extended tubs. And then yeah, this thing is ready to go to paint. And Big Wedo can do his magic and make this look all nice, like he made everything else look nice. Actually, here, let me show you. The front end's painted. I haven't really made a video on it, but I'll show you. I'm not supposed to be doing this because I'll put it away nicely so I don't scratch it, but it is a little dusty, so while it's out here I'll clean it up. But the grill's all painted, the hood's all painted, both the fenders are painted, and then this, get the roll pan welded on, and then everything, get the floor bed linered. And honestly, I might have to fix this floor because I thought it was super like rust free, but it's not, so probably gonna have to reseal this and rebed liner it. But yeah, that's basically kind of it for today's video, because I'm gonna drill these holes another day. So I just put it on here right now, make sure it all fits, but man, it looks so awesome. I kind of feel bad putting a tailgate on it. I kind of wish you could see it like this, all race car, but I'm gonna put the tailgate on it. I actually got a secret on the tailgate. Hopefully I'm gonna be ordering that soon, so yeah. We'll actually probably won't finish this video right now. Probably come back another day and drill the holes for it, and then get ready to probably drop this off at Wedo's. Alright guys, well before I finish the video, we just finished drilling the holes and we're bolting it up real quick to test fit it, but here's the finished result. They're not bolted down yet because I'm going to take it apart to get painted, but that's basically it. It's not really too difficult. Just make sure you don't overdraw the lines and screw up, because I screwed up a little bit on this side. I just marked it and cut it up, but well, I'll just put something black here and you won't be able to see it, so I don't really care. So yeah, we're about to load this thing up. We'll drop it off at Wedo's. So yeah, stay tuned for another video on that, and I hope you enjoyed the video.